Hi, this is from Isuremedia, and I hope you're having a great day. In this video, we'll be discussing everything about Affiliate Manager in GHL and everything that revolves around it. So let's get started. Before we begin, I want to quickly touch up upon what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is an advertising model in which a company compensates its partners that bring leads or traffic to their website or landing pages and help them convert a customer. The third party publishers are affiliates here, and the commission fee incentivizes them to find ways to promote the company's product and services. So I'm in my GHL right now, and this is a Launchpad, as you can see. Let's head over to marketing and see what we have here. This is my social planner. It looks great right now. Let's head over to affiliate manager. And as you can see, we already have a campaign running. We'll talk about it later. There are 4 options here, as you can see. That is campaigns, affiliates, payouts, and media. We'll talk about each one of them. Let's talk about campaigns first. This is the starting point of every project, and this is where you can make a campaign for yourself and you can get started. So let's go ahead and start designing a template from scratch. Yeah, this is the campaign menu. Don't get intimidated by it. It's not that tough. So we're in the campaign menu right now. This is where you can change or adjust anything about your campaign according to your needs. So let's get started. So this is where you can name your campaign. Let me just name my campaign Isuremedia. Yeah. The next step would be to add a referral or sign up link where we can add a funnel or a website. As you can see, let me add a funnel here. I'll add this one. So you can see the system has already generated a very unique link that we'll have to give to our affiliates, which they will then use in their marketing programs to track their progress and see which customers have come in our system by using this link. That way we can pay them accordingly. So this is a link, you can copy it from here. The next step is to add products. We've already created a product. You can create a product in GHL itself, and let me select this. So the next step is to add a description. Now this thing is optional. You can do it if you want to. Let me just So this is the campaign description, and as you can see, it's option steps, so we'll just skip it right now, but you can go ahead and add whatever you want to your campaign description. The next thing would be to add an affiliate. And how do you do that? You go to this menu in affiliates, which we will do later, but I already have an affiliate here, and right now it's the only affiliate that shows here. But once you have enough affiliates in your system, there will be a list shown here, and you can directly add or remove affiliates from this page itself. The next thing is the payout frequency. So let's see what options we have here. There are 3 options here: pay 15, pay 30, and pay 60. What this means is when a month ends and the option that you have selected here, the next thing is payout frequency. There are 3 options here: pay 15, pay 30, pay 60, and these are the number of days after which the affiliate will be paid their earnings after the month ends. Like you can say pay on 15th of next month for previous month's earning. So it's self-explanatory. Let's move ahead. This is the commission type. What this is, there are two options by which you can pay your commissions, that is based on percentage and a flat commission. If you select percentage commission here, there is an option to select what commission you want to offer to your affiliates. Let's go ahead and put 15%. So now whenever I get a lead or whenever there is a customer that comes from an affiliate, I will have to pay him a 15% commission of whatever the overall value of the sale is. But if I select flat commission, I can just select whatever money or commission I want to pay him. Suppose I want to pay him $500 for every sale that he brings. So I will just have to write down 500 here, and it will remind me to pay $500 to that particular affiliate. And the next thing is to select an email template. Now all the templates that you have in your system will show up here. You can select any particular template that you have made for this campaign, which is highly recommended, because you can customize that template in and you can personalize it. You can write whatever you want and whatever you think is appropriate for the campaign. uh, if you don't want to do that, there is already a default template in GHL which is alright, but I would definitely recommend you to make a template and go ahead with it. I have already made a template. Let me select it. So yeah, it is selected. Now the last thing is the cookie life. So what is cookie life? So cookie life basically means when affiliate's link has been clicked by a customer, he has exactly 30 days before the link expires and the affiliate's commission goes into vain. We can select that here from 30 to all the way 365 days, and yeah, that is what cookie life is. Now let's go ahead and create this campaign and see what happens. So as you can see, we have our campaign ready here. This is the name that we gave it, and this shows the status right now. It's active and it already has an affiliate that we made. Yeah, and this is a set commission percentage, and the revenue generated, it's 0 right now. So you can get a brief idea of how the campaign is doing right here in this menu. Let's move on to the other menu, that is affiliates. Alright, so this is the affiliate menu. You can control each and everything about your affiliates from this menu itself. You can see this, it shows us a list of every affiliate that we have in our system, and you can also see the status of the affiliate right here. Most of our affiliates are inactive right now, and only one of the affiliate is active, that is this one. You can change the status of these affiliate from active to inactive or vice versa from this menu right here. You can just click here on the three dots and it shows me mark as inactive, and for the affiliates that are inactive right now, it will show me mark as active. So there's that. Now let's add a new affiliate. For that, we just have to click on this add button and select new affiliate and go ahead and put the information that you have. I'm just testing it, so yeah, it is what it is. Just click on add affiliate and you can see your affiliate has been added. It's already active, and you can also see a brief description of how this affiliate is doing for you, how many customers he has brought in, how many leads he has brought in, how much you owe him, how much you have paid him, and what is the total revenue that has been generated by this affiliate. Other than that, this button also lets you upload affiliates. You can upload affiliates, the data, affiliate data from outside of GHL, and you can also import the contacts that you have in GHL. You can import and add them as an affiliate from this button, from this menu right here. Also, you can download this complete list of affiliates by clicking on this button right here. There you go. It's been added and you can see it in your downloads folder. Next is the payout menu. You can simply click on it from here. Now this menu is where you will see all of the information regarding the payouts, what payouts are pending, what payouts you have approved for payments, and what money you have paid to your affiliates, or if you have denied any payments. You can see everything from this menu itself. And you can select the starting date, starting month and the ending month from here. You can also download this list and you can search for an affiliate right here by searching in this. So as you can see right here in this payouts menu, this is the pending tab. This is where you'll see all the affiliates that have a payment pending, or that have some or other actions required to be done by you. And if we move to the next step, that is approved for payout, any affiliate that you have selected to be paid, like any payment that you have approved, it will be shown here. And the next one is the paid one. This is where it will show you the list of affiliates that have been paid by GHL. And the next one is the denied payouts. Suppose you deny any payments due to whatever reason, that particular affiliate will show in this list. Next, let's move on to the last step, that is the media. This is nothing but a storage of your files, or your folders that you have made, that has anything regarding your campaign that will be helpful for your affiliates, or something that you want to share with your affiliates. You can do it from this menu. So yeah guys, that was it for the video. I really enjoyed making this video and I hope you have learned something from this video. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.